we are gathered here to announce a landmark initiative, the National Talent Hunt program being launched by AICC Media Department and NPCC. This program reflects our deep commitment to the empowering the youth of Nagaland. I appeal to our friends in the media to kindly extend your support in taking this message to every corner of our state. Now I give time to our nodal coordinator. Thank you.
Good morning, friends, and I welcome you all here. And today I'm here to launch the National Talent Hunt. Today, All India Congress Committee Media Department, along with the Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee, is proud to launch the National Talent Hunt in Nagaland. Nagaland has immense talent, powerful voices, intelligent researchers, creative media minds. But unfortunately, many young people do not get the right platform to grow and lead. This initiative is not just about politics. It's not about politics, it's about empowerment. Through this talent, we aim to polish, train, and empower the next generation of spokespersons, researchers, and publicity coordinators. We want young people who believe in democracy, who believe in truth, and who want responsibility. Nagaland's youth deserve opportunities, not just promises. Congress believes leadership must come from the ground. We want local voices to represent local issues in the national level. We invite every young person with confidence, commitment, and courage to come forward, scan the QR code, and apply. Become the voice of change, help shape the future. This is your platform, this is your moment. Congress is it is a party who has always given the young minds a platform where they can show their talent. This is also one such initiative where we want the young, the youth, whosoever is interested to show their talent at national levels. Congress is going to give the platform. So we are here to launch this campaign, this National Talent Hunt program, wherein you can see a QR code. With this QR code, you do not need anybody to push you. You just scan this QR code and you can directly apply through this. And your applications will reach the All India Congress Committee Media Department. They will reach directly AICC headquarters. And from there, we have 3 posts. So one is spokesperson, the other is national panelist, and the third one is a researcher. People who are interested in leading the post of spokesperson can apply. A person who's interested in becoming a national panelist can apply. And a person who does not want to be a spokesperson but has research capabilities, who can research, can also apply through this QR code. So we have 3 places for which they can apply. They should not get confused. As I told you, 3 places, for 3 places they can apply. So today we are here to launch this campaign because there are several issues which get unaddressed. Issues of Nagaland also, which we want that you should come up and address nationally. Issues related to the national level, national issues, they can come and address. So this is one such platform that AICC Media Department is going to give to the youth, to the young, to whosoever would want to become the voice of the nation. So I, with the working president, with the Mahila Congress working president, with the media chairmen, with all the dignitaries sitting with me, is going to launch this poster. Voices from all the Nagaland, from all the districts of Nagaland can apply for this. You do not need anybody, any push from anyone. You just scan the QR code and apply directly. Our district level Congress committees will also push in their districts. They will take this initiative to all the districts of Nagaland so that person, any voice from any district can come, can apply. Our social media departments of the Congress party, our All India Congress committee pages have already done it. All India Congress Committee Nagaland will also do it. District levels will also take this initiative up, and you will see this QR code here and can apply directly. Thank you.
First and foremost, I would like to express my appreciation and thanks to All India Congress Committee for having launched this National Talent Hunt. And we have in our midst a very dynamic leader, Srimati Dolly Sharma, who's come all the way here to launch this. I believe that the whole country, we believe in unity in diversity. Unity in diversity in a very small way also. Northeast is so diverse, but it is united because of the stance taken by right-thinking citizens. The opportunity which has been given with this National Talent Hunt will go a long way in strengthening and also highlighting the problems and the demands of the youths of today, even in the national stage. And therefore, I urge especially the youths who are eager to serve the people, who are eager to serve the nation, also participate. I believe that Northeast is a reservoir of talent. It has lots of talents, and especially in Nagaland also, it has a lot of talents which can be tapped and whose talent can be also used in the national level to voice out the difficulties, to voice out the requirements which is very much needed, especially in the state of Nagaland as well as Northeast. I once again thank Srimati Dolly Sharma for having making her presence here as the nodal coordinator to launch this National Talent Hunt. This is something which is going to benefit all, and especially the young minds, the young ones who are eager to voice the requirements and the demands of the youths of today. I would urge all of you to take very active participation in this and come forward to be a part of this process of development and nation building. Thank you.
What will be the benefits for these persons who will actually get through the talent hunt? What will be the benefits for them? At every level, people are suppressed. You must have seen the media fraternity also is suffering. In the state like UP, I'm coming from Uttar Pradesh, where the media fellow has exposed how they are giving namak and roti to the small children in the schools. When he exposed that, he was jailed. And anybody who today speaks is jailed, is tortured. So, in a way, Congress, like always, we have a fearless leader like Rahul Gandhi, who's today standing against this government, speaking for the farmers, for the youth of this country, for the unemployed youth. Rahul Gandhi is speaking for at every level. If you see today, anybody speaking for this nation is Rahul Gandhi. So, Rahul Gandhi ji wanted that we should develop more such nationwide who are fearless, who can speak the out for the poorest of the poor of this country, for the farmers of this country, for the unemployed youth of this country, for the women of this country. So we wanted at every level. I, being a woman, also urge the women of Nagaland also to come forward and participate in this national talent hunt. Thank you.
How will the party ensure representation from different regions and states, particularly from Northeast, because we are not very familiar with Hindi and reading and writing. So,
Nice question. Thank you. See, there are English debates also. You know, English channels are also there nationally. So I know people of Nagaland are very familiar with English because I reached Nagaland yesterday, though it is my first visit, but I know they are familiar with English and I know they are capable of representing the country. So we'll ensure that their participation, if they are through with English, they can do the debates in English, they can raise their voices in English, they can, locally also. We would want that if there is any issue related to Nagaland comes, we'll push those spokespersons, panelists and researchers to work for the issue, to raise that issue and speak nationally. Thank you.
I have one question.
Yeah.
Can a person panel for all three places? And also, as and when they get selected, will they be a part of the All India Congress Committee?
Yes, they will be a part of All India Congress Committee because this is a direct process that we are going to take through this scanner. Their application, they can apply, they'll get an application form, they can apply, and their forms will reach All India Congress Committee Media Department directly. And after looking at those forms, there'll be a process wherein we will take interviews. So there'll be a group discussion, there'll be a written test, and then there'll be a final interview. So through this process, we are going to select.
if a candidate with political inclination with other parties, if he or she applies for this application,
With other parties' inclination. that we could easily get, That we could easily get. This is a platform, I think, which is basically for all the Indians who wants to participate and has an interest in nation building, I should say.
My first question, can an individual panel for all three places? Can a person register?
Yes, actually, we are going to select as per the talent. So if they are able to speak well, we will select them for the spokesperson. We would actually need spokespersons plus panelists plus researchers. So who will fit into that category will be selected.
Is this more like a recruitment drive kind of a thing in the form of a talent hunt? Would you say that?
Not actually. It is a nation building process where we want youths to come up. We want people who are interested in nation building. Actually, they are interested in raising the issues nationwide. Like generally people from Northeast, like you said, there are language problems, language barriers. So because of that, they're not able to apply. And maybe, the entire Nagaland, there are so many people who do not know how to reach All India Congress headquarters. So this is a direct process wherein they can apply and reach All India Congress Committee.
Clarification.
Yeah.
So basically, whoever gets through these three posts, are they a Congress member now? Just yes.
Yeah.
They are
Yeah.
Congress.
Yeah. Because this is actually launched by All India Congress Committee Media Department.
As when they get selected, the discussion, the further elections, where will they be held? Will they be held at state level, district level?
See, this is actually for national talent hunt. So this is basically they'll work for National Congress team. All India Congress Committee, National Media Department, they will work for, and there are many, we also sitting at one place doing a debate. Yesterday I did a debate sitting at Nagaland on a farmer's issue. So Zoom is, video calling is one way by which today we do group discussions, we do debates. So there is not a problem, and if they are needed to travel also, party will help.
do you have age limit or qualification?
No age limit. We want we want good talent to come up.
So there is no limit for qualification.
No, there is actually, yes, they should have knowledge of what is happening in the country. They should have general knowledge of all the topics. the history of India. How did it work? So, with the knowledge only, they can appear for group discussions, for interviews and final interviews.
Last question. When does the registration end?
Registration ends. See, it is actually, we would want to finish it by the end of February.